of stress on my, little bit of sleep and yeah, I'm one of her. Yeah, I'm one of her. All I do is
guys, it's your boy Mr. Simba, and I'm here today with a friend, Agent Zero, and he's gonna tell you a bit about his car.
Hi guys, we're in an 06 Mdx, Acura Mdx. It's an all-wheel drive, dual exhaust, and the shit goes 0 to 100 real quick. And holy, what the fuck did we just run into right now?
Is that roadkill? What is that?
I don't know.
It looks like a raccoon.
Possibly here.
Yeah.
Poor raccoon, man. Everyone say rest in peace to this little raccoon that was on the street today. It goes 0 to 100 real quick. Whole squad on our real shit. Hit 180 on that for now. Didn't want to do too much, even though I could have.
Late night jazz with Agent Zero and Mr. Simba. You know, we always have some car fresheners in our cars, keeping the cars fresh, smelling good. Time to go for it. We're all started. That's where it all started, guys. Bangers are right here, you know.
Now I'm reflecting, think about the life that I chose and the path of the young nigga moving on. And I've been down and out cause I was looking for the answer, but never really had no question. Tell me that I'm accepted, I'm getting sick and tired of rejection. I said I can't deal with the nonsense, the pain been constant. I wish I wasn't this depressed so I could deal with the stress I feel at all times. I'm debating what the fuck am I doing?